Okay guys, I'm pretty sure you guys don't know what a chicken egg does. But for some reason in Minecraft, this is what happens when I throw it. Oh crap, I might have thrown it a little too far. At the cow. They explode. I did not program this. It just happened out of nowhere. And don't worry, that's just a fountain that I'm working on. It's still in progress. Stupid cow, just die already. Ooh, never mind. I was thinking of spawning the wither, but nah. There you have it. Look at this stupid junkie overkill. So now you guys know there's such thing as explosive eggs in Minecraft.